Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hello if you are new. So today I thought we will do some more bread making. So just like the other one, we are going to be using the Wright's make. So I got this one from Asda. It was £1.15. So last time we done the sun-dried tomato, so we're going to try the cheddar cheese and onion one today. So I thought I'd bring you along, seeing as it was quite a popular video last time. So all we need is our bag of our bread mix. We need 320ml of lukewarm water. We have our bowl to mix it in, we have our butter to grease our tin, and we have our tin. So let's get this into our bowl. So quite a few of you enjoyed the bread video, so I am trying to find other brands to use, but Asda only seem to do the Wright's one. I have noticed they have got their own brand, so I may try that one next time, and then we can compare the two brands together on how well they are. So here we have our mixture in. So now I'm going to pour a bit of water in, mixing each time. So if you can tell, I have got a stinking cold. So we're just trying to do something simple for you guys, so we can keep the videos coming. So we are in October now. So Halloween is coming up, Christmas is coming up. If there's anything you guys would like to see me make for them festive periods, leave a comment down below and I will do my best. We are gonna try keep getting the videos out for you. Give it a mix. Right, so now we're going to get to the messy part. Now I'm just going to get all of this mixed together using my hands. And even though I've got a cold, I can still smell that cheese and onion in this. So that is all mixed in now. So I'm just going to get a bit of flour just to sprinkle over the sides whilst that is resting for 5 minutes. So I'm going to wash my hands, leave this to rest for 5 minutes, and then I will come back when we are ready to knead this. So now I'm going to get this out, pop it on the side of the flour, and then I'm just going to knead this for 2 minutes. So guys, when you finish the kneading, well, after you've left this to rest for 5 minutes again, instead of making a loaf of bread, you can also use this mixture to make some rolls. So all you do is, instead of rolling it to the size of your tin, you separate it into 8 little balls, and then you do the same, you prove it, and then you bake it, and then you've got 8 homemade rolls. But we are going to be doing the loaf today, so maybe I can get another mixture and we can try the rolls one day and see how that turns out. So that is our 2 minutes of kneading up. So now I'm just gonna get it into a ball shape, and then I'm going to leave that to rest for another 5 minutes. So I want your guys' opinion because, bear with me, I've got 2 of these books and they both have 100 recipes in each book, and I was thinking about doing some recipes from these books on here. So if any of you have done any recipes from either of these books, let me know down in the comments what your favourite recipe was, or if you have the books and you want to see me try and make one of the recipes, let me know down in the comments and I will give it a go for you. So this has been resting for 5 minutes now. So I am going to turn the air fryer on. I'm going to go to the mega zone and we are going to go over to the Prove setting. So we're going to take it down to 35 and we're going to do it for 30 minutes. So I'm going to let that preheat for a little bit whilst I get my mixture into the pan. So what I tend to do is try and get the mixture spread out even the size of the pan, and then it has room to rise. So I'm going to pop that in there. I'm going to get the cling film and I'm just going to cover this loosely whilst it is on the Pro setting. So I'm not going to make sure it's sealed. So I'm going to get this out, pop that into the drawer, put that back on, and we're going to go back up to 30 and we are going to start that. So I'm going to clean up my mess. I'm going to wait for this to finish. Once this is finished, I will bring you back and then we will see what we do next. So guys, this is now finished. So, I'm going to get this one out. So, as you can see, it has risen. So now, just going to pour some water on the bottom of the pan. Going to pop this one back in. This time we're going to go to Mega Zone, bake. We're going to go up to 170 for 30 minutes. So guys, once that is finished, I will bring you back and we can have a look at it together. So guys, the air fryer is finished and the bread has been out resting. So altogether it took 26 minutes it was in the air fryer for. So now this has been resting, it's cooled down, so I thought I'd bring you along and we are going to slice it up together. So But as you can tell, it's nice and cooked. It smells delicious. So I am going to enjoy this with my lunch. I'm going to have poached egg with this bread. And then I suppose we better save some for the kids to try later. So guys, that was the Wright's Baker's bread mix, the cheddar and onion flavour. So I'm going to enjoy this for my lunch. Gonna end the video here. So like I said earlier, if there's any Halloween or Christmassy stuff that you'd like to see me try and make, let me know down in the comments, and stick around to see us make some meals out of the Pinch and Nom books. And if you have made anything and you have any favourites, let me know down in the comments. So guys, I'll see you on the next one. Have a good day. See you later.